Good morning, friends. Happy Wednesday. Today is another day of Number Corner. And remember, we do this every day right away in the morning. So today is Wednesday, and you are watching it from home. Yesterday it was Tuesday, September 8th. So today would be Wednesday, September, what number comes right after 8? It would be 9. But I want you to take a close look at our pattern. So we talked about that. There's different colors going on. So we have orange, yellow, blue. I want you to see them in your head. What color is this? So what would be today? What color? I'm going to give you a couple of seconds to think about what color would be underneath this square. When you think you have your answer, I want you to take a look at the other pattern that we have. So we have a tally, popsicle sticks, and a frame. Tallies, popsicle sticks, frame. Tallies, popsicle sticks. What would be our picture or our model, we call that, for today? So think about the color and the model. So let's see if you're right. So it's blue because after yellow, we have a blue for our pattern. And then we have a frame. So this is a 20 frame because we have 10 and 10 more. And that is 20. So today is the 9th. And as you can see, we have 9 black dots. So then we come over to our observation, and we write in 9 because the date is September 9th, and we draw our model. So I'm just going to draw one side because it is a 10 frame, and we are not past 10 yet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we have 1 left, and then we fill our 10 frame. So how many 10s in the number 9? So I'll bring this over so you can get a closer look. Look at our pattern. There's a pattern going on our chart as well. How many 10s in the number 9? So I want you to think about that. Yep. It's 0. We have no 10s in the number 9 because we are not at 10 yet. And how many 1s do we have in the number 9? It is 9. So then we write 0 plus 9 equals 9. So that's our equation. Let's move over to the date. Or actually, let's go to days in school. So I made a mistake yesterday for those of you that were watching at home, and I caught it while I was at school. So days in school, I put, it was our day. So I put 8 days in school. But that's not correct because, let me put this out here. We weren't at school on the weekends. So we just count the days that you're either at home doing school or here in class. So if we count, we started school on on Tuesday the 1st, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then yesterday was actually 5. So what would today be? What number comes right after 5? And we're going to put that right here. It is 6. So we're going to make a mark, and you can tell that it's 6 because we have 5 and 1 more equals 6. So we're going to change our days in school from 5 to the number 6. And we're going to sound that out because we're going to write out that number too. So it's 6. Now we need to change our date. So remember, we talked about that today is Wednesday, September 9th. 2020. So our date is over here. And we have 9. That stays the same because we are still in the month of September. We need to change our day though because yesterday was 8. So what would today be? If yesterday was the 8th, what would today be? It would be the 9th. You are right. Does our year change? Are we still in the same year? We are, so we're going to leave that the same. But then down here, we have to change the 8 to a 9. Because today is September 9th. This week, we are learning all about pennies and nickels. So remember, we have our plastic pennies and nickels here, so I'm going to show you again up close our penny. How much is a penny worth? I want you to think about that. How many cents is a penny worth? And I'm going to have you take a close look at what our penny looks like. So it is copper, or like a tan or brown color, and it is worth 1 cent. Now what about our nickel? You can see that the nickel is a little bit bigger than our penny. It's a little bit bigger. And it's a different color. What color is this? It's silver or gray. How much is our nickel worth? So take a look at what it looks like. It is worth 5 cents. So our penny, remember, is worth just 1. So show me 1 finger. Good. And then our nickel is worth 5. So now we're going to spin our spinner. So here's our spinner. And what do you notice? So we did this yesterday. Well, I noticed right away that there's only nickels and pennies on here. But you can see each area is a little bit different. So we have 1, 2, 3 pennies over here, which that would be if we have 3 pennies, what is that worth? 1 cent, 2 cents, 3 cents. We have a nickel, and we just learned that that's 5 cents. 1 penny is worth how much? Just 1. And then we have a penny and a nickel. So we know that a penny is worth 1, and a nickel is worth 5. So how many altogether would that be if we have a nickel and a penny? I want you to try on your own. What is 5 and 1 more? 6, you're right. So let's spin our spinner. Look at what we got. Think about that. What did I just land on? Did I land on a nickel or a penny? Take a look at our spinner. Did I land on a nickel or a penny? I landed on a penny. You're right. So how much is that worth? Just 1 penny. Yes, it is worth just 1. So I am going to find a penny, which I have right up here, and I am going to add it to our chart. Because yesterday, remember, we had a nickel and a penny, and we're adding 1 more penny. And then I am going to add another penny to our collection graph. So then we would put it right up here. And I don't have any tape with me right now, so I'm just going to pretend that we have it up there. But I want to know how many we have all together so far. So yesterday, we spun a nickel and a penny. And then today, we have another penny. So what is that worth? We know that a penny is worth 1, another penny is worth another 1, and then a nickel. So let's think about that. How much is a nickel worth again? 1 nickel is worth 5. What is a penny worth? 1. But we have another penny, so we have another one. So what is 5 and 2 more? Think about that. I'll hold up my fingers for you, or you can try at home on your own. What is 5 and 2 more? Let's think about it. So 5, 6, 7. So right now, we have 7 cents in our chart. I will see some of you tomorrow, and then the rest I will see on Monday. I can't wait to see you all. Have a great week, and if I don't see you,